Hey guys, Matt with TopHap here. Today we're talking about temperature. If you're living in an area that has any kind of hills or mountains, and even potentially marine area, you're gonna have wild temperature variance. And TopHap can help you figure out which areas will be hotter, which areas will be cooler, and ultimately help you figure out which area is right for you. Check it out.
What we're looking at right now is a portion of the East Bay near San Francisco, California. You have Oakland and Berkeley on the left, and the Walnut Creek suburb area on the right. And one thing you'll realize really quickly once you move here is that temperature changes wildly between these two areas. And if you're sensitive to temperatures, you obviously need to know what the temperature ranges are before you move here. So if we want to find this out, we go to the region icon on the bottom of the page, and then hit temperature. This adjusts the heat filter to show us where the highest temperatures are and the lowest temperatures are on average. The purple is the hotter, and the yellow and green are the lighter. And you can see that there's a sharp divide running down the middle of the map. That's the Oakland Hills. And that keeps the cold weather on the left and the hot weather on the right. You'll find great neighborhoods on both sides of the Oakland Hills, but you will also find 100+ degree temperature on the right. And normally in the summer in Berkeley and Oakland, you don't get temperatures much over 85. So if you're sensitive to temperature, you can use this feature and figure out what the microclimates are within a given region. This is just another way TopHap helps you find the house that's right for you.
I hope you enjoyed the video. But remember, TopHap isn't just for helping you figure out which areas have the higher or lower temperatures. So to learn more, please check out the rest of our videos.